Domino's delivery from Area 51.
It's mine now, human. Wrong house.
Sunlight policy violation! Sunlight policy violation!
Whose flashlight is that?
Freeze, mortal, you will obey!
Excuse me?
Look into my... Oh, shiny, so sleepy.
Show delivery.
Why won't this thing beep? Man, I hate contactless delivery.
Uber Eats for Karen.
I ordered McDonald's, not mackerel.
No refunds.
Hey, buddy, forgot recycling again.
What?
City inspection!
Open up. I have a warrant for your soul.
You got the wrong address!
Huh? Oh, wait, let me see. Oh, wrong dimension again.